Alright, so here again we have at Omo Mayfair set lunch du jour. You have our chicken with sweet corn textures, crispy chicken skin, and pine nuts. That's your chicken du jour. And the next main du jour is the cod with petit Jersey Royals, leek vinaigrette, and a smoked halibut velouté. Jersey foraged herbs and shoots. And this is the two main courses now on Omo Mayfair set lunch du jour's final drafts. Alright guys, let's go here. You guys finished? Alright, let's go. Yeah, just give me a new leek, yeah. Really crispy. And this one you go on table, VIP, yeah, let's go.